Midali, do you have 25 hours in your day? Hello, you all, and welcome to a new video. So, a lot of people ask me on social media that Mitali, how do you manage your time? So, this video is going to be just about that. I'm going to be showing you how do I manage my time, how do I get my tasks done, and what is the secret mantra. There's actually no secret mantra, but let's see how do I manage my day. I have a lot to get done today, and unfortunately, I woke up very late because कल रात को मेरी तबीयत बहुत ख़राब हो गई थी तो जो मेरा स्केड्यूल है वो थोड़ा सा डिस्टॉर्ट ऑलरेडी हो चुका है बट वी आर गोना सी हाउ डू आई मैनेज एवरीथिंग इन माई लाइफ एंड ऑल्सो लिव लाइफ along. So let's go. I've already made my to-do list for today. I'll be just showing you that and let's begin with studying. That's the primary task for the day. So recently I've been studying, not really studying but revising obstetrics and gynecology, which is OBGY in short. I already got done with the entire subject from Marrow only almost a month ago, but now I'm just revising all the Marrow notes again because my end posting exam is very near, almost a week is left, and I want to feel prepared, and I also want to revise all the concepts that I studied so that they stay fresh and I do not forget them. Post my first study session, I did a little bit of shooting. A brand video had to be shot, so I did that very quickly and now I'm heading to take a shower. Hello! एक तो I'm wearing this new night suit. Please tell me कैसा लग रहा है. मैं अभी घर से लेके आई हूँ. एंड आई जस्ट फिनिश्ड अप अ शूट. उसके बाद अब बस मैं नहा के आई हूँ. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 4:30. काफ़ी लेट हो गया है आज सब कुछ. दैट वाज अ थिंग बट वही तबीयत की वजह से इट ऑल गॉट डिलेड. नाउ आई एम जस्ट, क्या मैं फोकस में हूँ? हाँ, आई एम जस्ट डूइंग सम स्किन केयर. मेरे को यहाँ पे बहुत सारे पिंपल्स हो गए, पता नहीं क्यों और कैसे. बट एनी वेज एंड एनी हाउ स्किन केयर ख़त्म करके आई एम गोइंग टू गेट बैक टू स्टडीज़. तो आज मुझे कुछ 7 से 8 चैप्टर्स करने हैं. अभी मेरे पास 3 ही हुए हैं. सो दैट इज़ वन टारगेट फॉर टुडे. उसके अलावा आई हैव टू डू माई योगा ऑल्सो बिकॉज अभी मैं घर पे थी तो घर पे तो मैं योगा नहीं कर पाती हूँ बिकॉज मेरा पूरा स्केड्यूल डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है. जब मैं घर जाती हूँ मैं बहुत ज़्यादा शूट करती रहती हूँ. सो आई ऑल्सो डू माई योगा टुडे. मैंने सुबह से कुछ खाया भी नहीं. आई जस्ट हैड सम चने बिकॉज भाई मेरे को सुबह में मतलब सुबह अराउंड 5 AM वॉमिटिंग हो गई थी. कुछ जो मैंने कल में इसमें खाया इट डिडंट सूट मी और समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो या आई मीन थोड़ा सा हम ध्यान रखेंगे. अब आज कुछ ढंग का खाऊंगी मैं. एंड यस दैट्स अबाउट इट. लेट्स गेट टू वर्क. आई एम ऑलमोस्ट डन माई स्किन केयर. अब हम थोड़ा सा काम कर लेते हैं. ऑल्सो गाइज आई फॉरगॉट टू मैंशन दिस इज़ माई न्यू वायरलेस माइक जो मैंने अभी बहुत रिसेंटली परचेज़ किया है. मैंने मिताली अनफिल्टर्ड पे इसका अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो भी डाला है. सो यू माइट वॉन्ट टू चेक इट आउट. It's time for disorders of sexual development, but XY. So I've been constantly telling you guys ever since final year has started that life has been pretty hectic right now, keeping up with the pace of content creation and also the increased pressure of studies has got me go mad and crazy. But honestly, Marrow makes my life a bit more easier while I'm studying. I was already preparing for my NEET PG from the old edition of Marrow. By the way, my NEET PG is now just 2 years away. The fact really scares me, but anyhow, Marrow has now launched edition 8 and I'm so excited to try it out. All the faculties in their intro videos have talked about how to approach it, and importantly for students like me who were studying from the previous edition, how to switch and what are the new videos that are to be watched by us. And interestingly, my favorite part is that medicine from Dr. Rakesh sir is now only 130 hours, which is such a blessing. He has made it very concise and exam focused now.
Also, there are new notes, of course. I'll be getting the set later, and there are new features like magic modules, interactive MCQ videos, which I'll be talking about in the upcoming videos when I'll try them. By the way, did I tell you that now I've finally started solving MCQs, and a lot of MCQs, and now I realize how much I missed it. In my NEET UG times also, I used to love solving MCQs. Whenever I did not feel like studying, I used to solve MCQs, and now also I do the same. It gives me a taste of how my preparation is going, what are the areas that I need to improve, and it's just so much fun. Now coming back to our topic, which was time management, no matter how hectic my life or my day is going on, I make sure to take out 1 hour from my day without fail for myself to do some breathing exercises, some meditation, some yoga. Even on the days when I don't feel like hitting the mat, I just sit on my bed and do some breathing exercises and meditation to constantly remind myself that I need to keep taking care of my body, because my body is my most precious asset and it's my duty to preserve it, because who else will? When I talk about time management, I cannot emphasize more on how important and precious to-do lists are and how productive they can make you. I always make a to-do list for myself for the entire day, and I write the smallest of tasks, like even taking a shower, and tick them off once and for all they are done, because that boosts me and keeps me going. And by this, I'm also reminded of each small and big task that I need to complete during the entire day.
Hi, so I'm done with almost everything for today. मतलब पढ़ाई का काम हो गया है. एक छोटा सा वीडियो एडिट करना है, बट आई एम क्वाइट स्लीपी राइट नाउ. तो अभी 10 हो रहे हैं. आई विल टेक अ 20 मिनट्स या 15 मिनट का नैप जल्दी से, एंड उसके बाद हम रिविजन करेंगे, क्योंकि रिविजन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, और वीडियो एडिट करेंगे. दैट्स अबाउट इट.
You know, the fun fact is I nap more on the days I study more, because I feel, of course, my brain gets a lot more tired and it needs a lot more rest. On the days I'm constantly focusing on studying and actively using my brain. But I also feel that 15 to 20 minutes naps, I know a lot of you might not even relate to this, because I have got a lot of comments saying कि हम 1 घंटे से कम तो सो ही नहीं पाते हैं. But I honestly feel naps, and that to these 15-20 minutes वाले naps, actually make you much more productive. Just try it out once for yourself and let me know how does it work for you. Can I give you one more unpopular opinion? Now that I've started preparing for NEET PG, I realize how easy the preparation, for me at least, of NEET UG was, because NEET UG के time you're usually so focused, you don't have a lot of friends, you just go for your coachings, you just read your NCRTs, prepare, study, and that's what you do, and that's at least what I did also. But now in college you have to manage your college life, your college exams, your friends, your social media, and along with that you have to prepare for an exam that's as humongous as NEET PG.
पोस्टिंग डन. अब हम जा रहे हैं वापस. इट्स जस्ट 10:30, तो हमारे पास बहुत टाइम है, हम पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं आज. जो नया हॉस्टल है, इसका रास्ता ऐसे बॉयज़ हॉस्टल से होके गुजरता है. जस्ट किडिंग, दिस इज़ एक्चुअली अ शॉर्टकट जो हम यूजुअली ले लेते हैं, वरना बहुत घूम के ऐसे करके जाना पड़ता है.
Also, while walking back from the hospital to my hostel, which is a nice 10-15 minutes walk, I uploaded my reel. So that's how I complete my smaller tasks of the day, and I so love how it gets done smoothly.
नैप इज़ डन. नाउ टाइम फॉर स्टडीज़. आज मुझे बहुत सारा ख़त्म करना है, एंड टुडे आई एम थिंकिंग आई एम गोइंग टू डू ऑब्स्टेट्रिक्स, बिकॉज वार्ड लीव बहुत नज़दीक आ रही है, एंड ऑब्स्टेट्रिक्स के काफ़ी सारे टॉपिक्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द वार्ड लीव. सो लेट्स गो.
स्क्रोलिंग ब्रेक वी हैव टेकन. जस्ट किडिंग, मैं कमेंट्स रिप्लाई कर रही हूँ. स्क्रोलिंग तो हमने बहुत कम कर दिया.
पर मैं फिर भी करती हूँ, ऐसी बात नहीं है। By the way guys, Instagram पे follow कर लेना if you haven't already. This is my profile and Mitali this side is my handle, वहाँ पर भी. Another question that I get asked very often is that Mitali, do you not get tired of managing social media and your studies together? So honestly, after coming into final year, yes I do, because I have become a lot more serious about my studies, because my NEET PG is around and you all know I have 9 subjects in final year, so it's going to be really tough. But what motivates me each day to get up and get all the work done that I have in my life is just the fact that I enjoy this process so much. I love to solve MCQs, I love to show up every day to study, and also I absolutely love to create content, make new kinds of videos, show my creativity, and be able to impact a huge community here on YouTube. Crux of the conversation being that if you love what you do, life becomes a little bit more easier and time management may be a cakewalk for you. By the way, today I had ordered this new tripod for myself for shooting in the hostel. This is majorly for my YouTube shoots. By the way, if you guys have noticed, I don't know if you have, but in the last couple months I've been investing a lot on my YouTube videos. So this is our new tripod. Not just in terms of equipment, but in terms of design, in terms of the editing I do, and in terms of the quality of the content that I provide to you guys. So if you guys are liking the videos so far, please consider subscribing, because that means a lot to me and it gives me a lot of push to go ahead and make more unique and beautiful videos for you. And number 2, please let me know any feedback that you have of all of these editions that I've done. Do you like it? Do you not like it? I want an open feedback from all of you. How is it going so far and how are you liking the change in the videos? Abhi evening mein I had to go for Shrija's birthday party, so I had already planned my day in such a way that I get all of my tasks done before dinner time, and then I started getting ready after taking a shower, and during this time I also shot a short. Yeah, so I did that, and this is how I shoot my content in those little bits and pieces of time that I get, and I try to do it as smoothly as possible without disrupting my study routine and getting things done. I know speaking this is very easy, and honestly it does not happen all the time that while shooting my study routine does not get disrupted. It does, but for example today I got ready a little early, so I thought कि थोड़ा सा और पढ़ लेती हूँ. This happened. वीडियो बना लो. Yes, बन गया. आज सोया बहुत ज़्यादा लेट है. पता है मैंने एग्जैक्ट वही आउटफिट पहना है, तो मैंने दिन में सोचा था. कोटी गर्ल से आधे घंटे लेट तैयार हुई है सोया. कोटी गर्ल को आधे घंटे लेट करवाया सोया ने. 3 है. 4013. Happy birthday. And that's it, I got done with the party. I was very tired when I came back. The first step was to change and obviously remove all of my makeup and just get unready and ready to sleep. These were all my little efforts and a little bit of tips and tricks that I follow, hacks maybe you can call it, that I use to manage my time and to get things done just the way I want them to. I hope this might have helped you, and if it did, let me know in the comments please.
फोटोज लेने आई हूँ मैं. एयरड्रॉप कर दो. तुम्हारा वो दिखाओ नया ट्राइपॉड.
ये रहा, छोटा सा पड़ा हुआ है.
लग रहा है प्रोफेशनल.
हाँ. And yes, that's it. I didn't shoot a lot after this because I got busy chit-chatting with Shrija, and that was about it. That's how I'm managing my college life, social life, and my mental peace all together. I hope this helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned for next Sunday 11 a.m. Okay, bye.